Welcome back. What's a pleasure to have Steve Moyer here today. He is the CEO of AgeWell Senior Services. And, we often have people on from the Florence Sylvester, which is fantastic. But they offer a lot. But AgeWell, there's so much more to them than just the Florence Sylvester. Steve, a pleasure.
Likewise.
Yes, it's been a while. I think early summer.
Yes.
Last time you were on.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's make 2020 a good one.
Yes, I think we'll do that. Let's talk about, just give us an overview about AgeWell. We have people, new people coming into this community all the time, and they may not have even heard of AgeWell, what you folks do.
Yes, I appreciate that. And first of all, thank you very much for having me on.
Oh, it's a pleasure. It's always fun.
AgeWell Senior Services is a nonprofit organization, and we've been around since 1975, and
wow.
We operate a variety of things. First of all, we're known for Meals on Wheels. We operate Meals on Wheels in our service area, which is Newport Beach, all the way south to San Clemente. And last year, for example, we delivered 346,000 meals.
That is incredible.
In addition, we operate senior centers, and we serve the senior center that we have that serves Laguna Woods is Florence Sylvester, and that's on Moulton Parkway. That's in the DMV shopping center there. And total throughout our organization, we served roughly 76,000 meals, lunches, in our senior centers, Monday through Friday.
That's an addition
to
the
the Meals on Wheels. Also, in our senior center operations, and Florence Sylvester really is our flagship, we not only provide the luncheon service, but we are a wealth of information. We have educational classes, we have health and wellness classes, exercise programs, and we are a resource center. And the one thing that I want to express to the Laguna Woods Village residents is please stop by Florence Sylvester and see it, because you will find friends there. You will find it very exciting, a lot of things happening. We've got a lot of new and fresh things happening. For example, on the 15th, during lunch period, January 15th, we have this year we had our new registered dietitian there that was providing some information on how to eat healthy, how to cook healthy for 1 to 2 people. This is something that I think you should get involved with. On January 21st, we have a new entertainer, Tony Rogers, there, and it's going to be a sing-along plus dancing during lunchtime.
All right, I'll be there.
So if you go, and we're serving lunch during that period of time. We have new Tai Chi classes. I think you would enjoy that also.
Yes.
And so a lot of new, exciting things that are happening at Florence Sylvester. So please feel free to stop by. Cherie was going to join me today. She's our new site director. So go in, say hello to Cherie, and I think you will find a very, very warm welcome, and we being very accommodating.
Yeah, they're great people that are over there. You've had a history of great people over there.
Yes.
And, one of the things that, we've talked about, you and I and Cherie and all, is there's so many different resources over there. There are things that are just fun. They have people coming in that talk about the history of movies, as an example. Then you have somebody talking about investments, not trying to sell you anything, just kind of give you the lay of the land. You have someone that comes in and talks about scams, phone scams and things, health, and just on and on and on. But more than anything else are the resources. And as you've talked about, Cherie has talked about, that you really kind of vet people out. And so if someone goes there and goes, you know what, I'm trying to figure out, trying to navigate my way through something, whatever it might be, you guys over there can point them in the right direction.
Absolutely, and that's what we're there for. Again, we're a nonprofit. We have our organization gets a little less than 50% from government sources, and all the rest is private funding.
Right.
The other things that we do is transportation. You've seen our green and white buses throughout the village. We provide non-emergency medical transportation, and we provide nutrition transportation, where we will pick seniors up and take them to the senior center so they can experience lunch. Last year, we did roughly 65,000 trips that we made. And then we have case management and in-home services care. So we try to be full service, and anybody who needs help, please feel free to contact our Florence Sylvester location, and we'll do everything that we can to facilitate. The thing that makes our organization so special are 500 volunteers.
Yeah.
And we're always looking for volunteers. If there's ever a situation, somebody out there that would really enjoy volunteering, we really need volunteers at all times. So we operate 9 senior centers, and again, Florence Sylvester is our flagship.
Yeah. In fact, there's one up by me. I live in Rancho Santa Margarita, the
Bell Tower. Yep.
Yeah, and of course the Norman P. Murray and all different things. And sometimes there's certain events that are going on over there that we tell people about. But the Florence Sylvester, the main thing I like to tell people is most of the stuff they offer, there's no charge, but there's limited space. So
Yes.
you need to get on a list to call them and figure out what you want. There's booklets available that go through the entire month, including menus for the food, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
And the other thing that you've probably seen our commercials. We have Vince Ferragamo that has become our company spokesperson. Just a real quality guy. Just a really neat guy, and was a great football player.
Yeah.
He threw me a spiral the other day, and he's still a good football player. It hurt my hands trying to catch it, but in all sincerity, we have an annual fundraising campaign we do each year. We call this our holiday campaign, and this particular one ends in January. And I ask that in the event that you feel in your heart to make a donation to our organization, it certainly will help us continue to provide the services that we provide. We're a very lean organization as far as administratively can, and I think a good nonprofit is, and that's important to us. So we love seniors. This is our mission, and just trying to do the best that we can. So any help that we can get from any of your watchers, certainly appreciate.
Yeah, and by the way, you can always do it in a way that you may not even realize you're doing it. Just do smile.amazon.com, and you can pick that organization, and that's a great way.
And there's 3 ways that we have directly. One would be to call us, and you can call Florence Sylvester, or you can call our offices, which are actually in Lake Forest. You can go online, and that's myagewell.org, and make a donation there. And then the third way is actually go into Florence, and you can get a particular piece of paper to fill it out and mail it in. So there's 3 ways to do it.
All right,
Okay.
we got to run, so
Great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
We'll get you back a little bit more sooner, rather than it's been quite a few months.
And I saw you a little bit earlier today on TV, and you had a variety of hats on, and I liked each and every one
All
of
right,
them. So,
thank you very much.
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
We'll be back.